Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, we will revise together comprehension strategies and skills in our story, Here Comes Solar Power. Let's start with the strategy. Our strategy today is called Ask and Answer Questions. So, there are many strategies we need to follow to understand a text we're reading, and these strategies will help you understand the comprehension part well in your exam. So, it's impossible to read the text only one time and understand every single detail in it from the first time, right? That's why we need to reread, remember? So rereading is a good strategy. Well, we will learn today another strategy that helps you understand the text better, which is ask and answer questions. What does this strategy mean? Asking and answering questions as you read can help you understand Here Comes Solar Power. How can you ask and answer questions as you read? I will tell you why. While reading, ask yourself questions as you read. Then look for details to support your answer. So while reading, stop for a while and ask yourself a question. Then complete reading. While reading, you will find the answer of your question. For example, look at the section Energy Today. This is a part of our story, Here Comes Solar Power. Think of a question, highlight and write about details that help you answer it. Use the think aloud to help you. I will read for you this part of the story and then we will ask some questions here. Here comes solar power. Energy today. You get your energy from eating healthful foods. Most factories, homes and cars get their energy from fossil fuels? Fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? This is a question I might ask myself while reading this passage. What are fossil fuels? This is the first time for me to hear these words. Okay, let me complete so I can find my answer. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels. They have been the traditional or usual energy source for more than a century. Today, most of the energy we use in the United States comes from burning fossil fuels. But these fuels come from deep under the Earth's surface, and they are running out. They cannot be reused. Once a fossil fuel is gone, it's gone forever. So we need an alternative energy source to replace it. So I found the answer of my question. My question was, what are fossil fuels? And I found the answer here. So, as I read, the most factories, homes, and cars run on fossil fuels. They come from deep under the earth, so I knew what are fossil fuels, and I know where can I find it, where do people get fossil fuels, and all the answers of my questions. And I knew that it's not renewable. So once it's gone, we cannot find it anymore. So now, as you read this part, pause my video, and read this part and ask yourself a question and then complete reading and you will find the answer of this question. Okay, now after we're done with the strategy, which is ask and answer questions, now we will start with the skill of Here Comes Solar Power. There's a new skill you should follow to understand your comprehension more, which is cause and effect. And I think most of you know what causes and effects are. Let's move to cause and effect. Okay, before we start explaining what are cause and effects, let's revise together what we've done in class. Remember the song we sing together? You can find it on the YouTube to revise what is a cause and effect. Well, a cause is why something happens. An effect is what happens after that or as a result. So they happen in time order. Signal words are words that help you find where causes and effects are, such as so, as a result, and because. Okay, so here we have the part that we already read in answer and a question when we were explaining ask and answer question. So for every effect, there is a cause that happens before. So this chart. On the left, we have the causes, and in the right, we have the effects. They already write for you the effect. We need to find the cause. So here they said, scientists are looking for alternative sources of energy. What happened before scientists were looking for alternative sources of energy? Why are they looking for alternative source of energy? We already said this because fossil fuels are running out and we need new energy sources. Let's find another cause and another effect. For example, this is the first cause. Solar power is renewable and is not expensive. This is the first cause. What's the second effect? Solar power is one source of renewable energy and it's not expensive. Where's the effect? As a result, look at the signal word, many people are placing solar panels on the roofs of homes and large buildings. Let's check together. Yes, it is. Let's look for the third cause. What happened next? The sun's ray hit the solar panel. After they put the solar panels on the roofs of the buildings, the sun rays hit the solar panel. What happens after that? We need to look at our text to find the answer. On a bright day, the sun's ray hit the solar panel and caused it to produce electricity. Then electricity flows into the building. As a result, here comes the effect, there is enough energy to raise the temperature inside homes and turn on lights, stoves, and computers. So this is how we find the causes and effects, and now we understand better what causes and effects are. So first comes the cause, then the effect, and it comes in time order, and we use signal words such as so, as a result, and because. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.